early start this morning, 3:50 a.m, 3:15 for some of us, 3:45 for Jake, having to run out of the hotel last minute.
Oh, that is such a good
Just had breakfast down at the ballooning place. We're going hot air ballooning over the Cappadocian mountains. Everyone's a bit tired, I think, but all right. George's managed to lose a contact already. That's good. Yeah, all good form. Really looking forward to it, and hopefully it's not too chilly up there because George doesn't have a jumper. So.
And the sun's just starting to rise, as you can see.
Early start, 3:20 start for the hot air ballooning, and well worth the trip. I mean, it was really fun. I think really cool experience. We had breakfast before, got taken out to the launch site, explained a bit about the hot air balloon as they were setting it up, and then yeah, got going, and it was really cool. There must have been about 70 balloons.
I loved it, great experience, never been in a hot air balloon before, absolutely loved it. Amazing views, loads of the balloons to see, yeah, great time, loved it.
I hated it to begin with because I was stood next to Rupert, and in a wicker basket it moves around a lot when Rupert stomps around, but after that I got used to it, and it was yeah, it was fun. And there's the heavy himself. Oh, I shouldn't swear.
I can bleep that out.
Okay. And now we're off to something in Turkey.
What's it called?
Trabzon. So we're going to Trabzon.
Back in convoy with the Bongolians.
Yeah, Bongolians are back.
Got it some. Oh, look at this.
Yeah. So yeah, back in convoy, and hopefully catch up with some more people as well.
Got 3 hours.
Oh, yay.
Takes 4 hours though, so I don't know if it'll be able to record all of it. If it like moves, Jake, the vibration, just let me know. Get the drone out at some point. So we wild camped last night in a little lay-by on the side of a farm track, which was horrible. Very, very warm. In Trebizond, is it called, Rupert?
Yeah,
about 30 kilometres.
About 30 kilometres
East of Trebizond.
from east of Trebizond. We're now just driving the D915, which is the world's most dangerous road. This is not. Oh, the ground clearance is not suitable for this in the little Yaris, but we go on. Nice.
Oh god.
Let's get in. You ready?
Oh fuck.
just a Turkish service station. Rupert's noticed that we've been killing a lot of wildlife, which is sad to see. The show must go on. Jake's lost his card. She's disappointed about. All in there. Rupert's gone to pay. And continuing on to Tbilisi tonight. This is the capital of Georgia, so we've got a border crossing in about 6 hours time. It's going to be a long drive today, probably a good 12-hour day, probably longer. But we've just got to motor on and make miles. A few stops along the way, fuel, toilet, but we just keep on going. Rupert's brought the goods in.
Got my Cheetos
Cheetos.
and my Coca-Cola. This is for everyone, it's just not just for me.
Oh, sure.
That thing I'm
Sure. Say that to the camera and then you'll just see them all.